Front door open.
Can you follow the lady, please? Wherever she's going, please. Thank you. Yeah, bring your buddy on the grill, bro, and go to the potatoes. Matt, thank you. Thank you, Z. You put gravy on the chicken already? One chicken pita and 2 roti, madam, is 20 minutes. Thank you. See, man, I got no chicken here, bro. Yeah, I got nothing, bro. No, I have nothing here. I'm running with this. Call the boy and get him to drop a thing. No, I'll need 3 chicken.
Front door open.
How are you, sir? You here to order or pick up an order? You've already placed the order? You've placed an order?
No, I haven't.
You want to place your order?
Yes.
Somebody will help you with the cash then. Thank you. Good day, sir. Your name, please.
Chris.
Kirk?
Chris.
Chris, my name is Nick. Very nice to meet you, Mr. Chris. Chris, Delphi or Parazza?
The ones without the seeds.
That's the Parazza.
Yeah.
How many?
Make it 4.
4. Excellent. That's everything?
Yep. You have it?
Kirk, your total 12 even, whenever you're ready. Kirk, I'm gonna hand, gentlemen, how are you? I'm gonna hand you your receipt. Kirk, hold on to that receipt. You're gonna hear your name called at that window, okay?
Okay. Wait inside here?
Yeah, wait inside. You can go over there at the red part there, and somebody will help you. Thanks a lot. Gentlemen, how are you today? Beautiful. First time here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you my 6 seconds pitch. Welcome. Thanks for stopping in. 3 restaurants here: Mona's Roti, Crazy Greek, a fusion of both. We call it Greek and Trinilicious. Everything's popular on our menu. Whenever you're ready, ring this bell, and we'll help you. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. You got me? Yeah. Thank you. Maddie, what's up, bro?
You got one.
You got them? Yeah, you're right. Okay. Maddie, put it right there.
Is this yours? Or
No, you need to drop the order. Grab the ticket. Grab the ticket up there. Whatever that order is, Maddie, drop it. Drop it fast, man. Let's do it.